6:06 this morning, checking now in with Ansley. Ansley, it's Thursday, but it's Miracle Treat Day, so let's go ahead and talk about that weather so folks can go out there and get a blizzard.
Well, the good news is actually kind of the best of both worlds for Miracle Treat Day because it will still be hot enough to enjoy ice cream, but the humidity is going to be a whole lot lower. So the feels like numbers today, not quite as bad, especially compared to the numbers from yesterday and the day before. We were feeling close to 110 in a couple of places. Today, the feels like numbers will stay out of the triple digits. So that's a nice little treat for us. And we've got a nice sunrise out there this morning as well. Less cloud cover is actually leading to a little bit of a cooler start to the morning. So it's 75 degrees right now in Dublin. Across our board, you can see we do have some low 70s in the picture, a few mid to upper 70s, so still kind of warm in a couple of spots. But overall, the trend here is that we're all sitting a couple of degrees cooler than this time yesterday. So it's a nice start to the morning because temperatures are lower. But the humidity is also continuing to drop this morning. Now, of course, we still have the dark green color on the map, but you can see some peaks of the light green starting to kind of break into the dark green here. And what that means is humidity is dropping, and it will keep dropping as we go throughout the rest of the day. So like I said, we will still have warm temperatures, but the heat index not going to be quite as bad today. Maybe feeling a degree or two warmer than the actual temperature by the afternoon, but overall that's going to be a whole lot better than feeling like 10 to 15 degrees warmer than the actual air temperature. So today, a high of 95, which will still be warm, but lower humidity will make all of the difference. And of course, with lower humidity, we have lower moisture in the air, so we have lower rain chances for today. Just going to be a nice day overall. The satellite and radar picture shows us that front from yesterday has now drifted down into Florida, and it leaves us behind with clear skies and, again, drier air that will stick with us through the rest of the day. So you really don't have to worry much about rain chances. This is just about as good as it gets for a July day in central Georgia. It is going to stay mostly dry across our area for the entire day today. Now, a lot of this drier air does kind of hang around as we go into Friday. We'll kick off Friday morning kind of similar to this morning. We may see one or two pop-up showers or storms tomorrow with the humidity starting to build back in, but overall it will still be mainly comfortable and mainly dry. But take advantage of today and tomorrow because by the time we get to the weekend, things start to look a little bit more messy for two reasons, really. One is what you can see on your screen right here. This is a part of a cold front that's going to be moving over to the east as we go throughout the weekend. And then we actually have a stationary boundary down to the south that's going to start to drift up into our area. These two features are going to come together and create some more widespread rain chances for us as we go into Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. So the first half of your Saturday still looks pretty good, nice and dry. But by the time we get to Saturday afternoon, we'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms roll across our area from the west to the east. Again, yes, you will likely see rainfall, maybe a shower or a thunderstorm, but hopefully there will still be dry moments, especially as we get into late Saturday evening. It's just kind of going to be a story of touch and go rain chances as we go throughout Saturday and Sunday. So not the best looking weekend, but you still should have dry moments throughout both days. We're going to carry this increased rain chance into the early work week as well. Now, what that does for numbers is actually keep them a little bit cooler. So through the weekend and early next work week, highs will drop down into the low 90s and upper 80s.